Hi, in this video we're going to look at what platforms are supported by the Hava application. When you connect a cloud data source, Hava will go off and interrogate the configuration and diagram all the resources it discovers. The major three cloud platforms by market share are supported. So we look after AWS, GCP and Azure. We can also connect directly to Kubernetes clusters, so you're able to get container diagrams for your KAS setups as well. Now the user documentation, which you can find up here under user docs, has fairly detailed doco for all of the features and capabilities of Hava. In the using Hava section, we've got a page here for providers and sources. If you go into that, you can see the number of supported resources or supported platforms that we have, and then the resources within those platforms that are diagrammed. So if we take a look at AWS, for instance, we've got a whole bunch of different resource types that get placed onto diagrams. So they will end up within the within the availability zones and subnets and around the VPC. We also have under here a list of resources that are detected but not placed onto the diagram because they don't make much sense to do that. So we've got things like API key, EC2 volumes and so forth. So there might be dozens or hundreds of those. So if you start placing those onto a diagram, it will get full really quickly. So the same with Azure, we've got all of the supported resources and the stuff that's not visualized but will appear on the list view. So again, similarly with AWS, all the stuff that's detected but not visualized will end up in the list view where you can look at the costs and that sort of thing. So that's it. That's a quick look at what we support and what we don't. What we don't support is manually drawing your own resources onto diagrams. The diagrams that are automatically generated will show the source of truth. So exactly what's running within your account is what is shown. So there's no question within your with an audit process, for instance, where you need to prove what was in place at any point in time. The Hava diagrams that are generated without a human intervention can be relied on to to prove the evidence within an audit that what you had running at the time is on the diagram. So there you go, that's a quick rundown of what we support. Thanks for watching.